Every day we access websites and mobile apps to be entertained, to work, to communicate with each other. We understand that these platforms and social media were developed by programmers. However, we never think about how well designed and well structured they are. This is no accident. Imagine you have to get the directions to go somewhere. You open up Google Maps. You don't even have to think and you already know where to put the address of your destination. You also already know where to click to search for the best route. After that, you also know very well how to visualize the complete route on the map or let the application guide you. And again, this is not by accident. All apps have someone specialized in making the user experience easier and making the best design for the purpose of the website. This is called UX design. User experience design is the process of creating products that provide meaningful and relevant experiences to users. This involves aspects of branding, design, and usability. UX designers don't just focus on creating products that are usable. They concentrate on other aspects of the user experience, such as pleasure, efficiency, and fun too. UX designers consider the why, what, and how of product use. The why involves the user's motivations for adopting a product, whether they relate to a task they wish to perform with it. The what addresses the things people can do with a product, its functionality. And the how relates to the design of functionality in an accessible and aesthetically pleasant way. As a UX designer, you're not required to know how to program, but certainly it will increase your knowledge in the field, since the UX designer has direct communication with web developers. In order to become a UX designer, it is essential to have skills in researching the target audience, wireframing and prototyping, visual communication, and analytics. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a user experience designer in the US is $115,000 per year. In a company, a UX designer works together with web developers. Let's suppose we are talking about a new dating social media, an app that will be a competitor to Tinder. Basically, the UX designer will do the research about the target audience, gathering information about what functionalities would be interesting to have in the app. Then, the UX designer will create a prototype of the app based on this research. For example, using the functionality of sweeping right or left. This prototype is kind of a draft for what the programmers will do. Once the UX finishes this step, the front-end developer will turn that draft into a real app. The programmer will write multiple lines of code to do exactly what the UX designer did in the prototype. In the case discussed, the developer will code the components that will appear on the screen, like the images of the users, buttons, text, everything. Meanwhile, the backend is creating the logic behind the app. It is basically everything that is not visible on the screen, like creating a database for every user. When all three areas complete their job, we have a whole new dating app on Apple Store or Play Store. If you want to know how you can become a programmer as fast as possible, schedule a free meeting with us. The link is in the description. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.